Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you how to replace the screen on a Motorola Moto Edge 50 Fusion. This model was launched approximately 2 months ago in Spain at an initial price of 350 euros, and today we will perform an important repair, replacing the screen of this device. Currently, no suppliers in Spain have this specific screen available, so we had to import one from abroad. We will be using an original Motorola Service Pack screen, which is an excellent option to ensure the quality of the repair. If you have some repair skills, you could do this job at home and save yourself the cost associated with professional repair, taxes, VAT, and other additional costs. Stay until the end to watch an entertaining and different video. To make the process easier for you, I will try to leave some purchase links in the video description. This channel is designed to help both new technicians and those with more experience in the field of mobile phone repair. Over the years, we have gathered a lot of tricks and techniques that we want to share with you. For this particular repair, the final cost for the customer was 170 euros, and we used an original Motorola screen, ensuring high quality and durability. Now, let's detail the steps we will follow to replace the screen. First, we apply heat to the back cover of the device. For this, we use a heat gun set to 90 Celsius degrees. If you don't have a heat gun, you can also use a hairdryer to warm the area. The heat helps to soften the adhesive holding the back cover in place, making it easier to remove. Then, with a plastic card and some contact cleaner, we start lifting the back cover of the device. This step requires patience and care to avoid damaging other components of the phone. Once we have removed the back cover, the next step is to remove all the screws from the middle frame. These screws secure the internal structure of the device, so make sure to keep them organized for reassembly. At this point, we can see that the device has suffered a significant impact on one of the sides. Before proceeding with the installation of the new screen, it is crucial to check the condition of the phone's frame. If the frame is damaged, we can use a surgical scalpel to reshape it. A damaged frame can affect the fit and adhesion of the new screen, so it's essential that it is in good condition. The next step is to disconnect the two battery flex cables. More and more mobile phones are incorporating this type of connection to improve the device's charging, using two flex cables instead of one. Disconnecting these flex cables is necessary to remove the battery and work on the rest of the device without risking damage to other components. Without removing the battery, we cannot remove the screen flex cable. Here we have the original Motorola screen that we imported. This screen arrived in its service pack box, guaranteeing that it is an authentic and high-quality replacement. It's important to remember that most electronic components come from China. My trips to that country have taught me that there's a wide range of quality in the available parts. If you're looking for a durable and reliable repair, it's always better to opt for our original parts, as they offer superior performance and greater durability. To remove the battery, we apply a bit of contact cleaner. This liquid is effective in loosening the adhesive in less than a minute. The advantage of this product is that you can reuse the adhesive when reattaching the battery. However, it's important to ensure that the adhesive is in good condition to ensure that the battery is properly secured. To remove the broken screen, use the same method. Apply heat with a heat gun or heat plate set to 90 Celsius degrees, and then use the plastic tools to lift the screen. This procedure helps to loosen the adhesive holding the screen in place, making it easier to remove without damaging the internal components of the phone. When it comes to applying adhesive on the surfaces, I usually use a microscope to ensure that the adhesive is applied evenly. If you see that the adhesive protrudes a bit, don't worry. After applying it to the sides of the screen, it's important to let it sit for about 6 minutes. I use my phone stopwatch to measure this time. Letting the adhesive dry allows the alcohol in it to evaporate, which reduces the chance of dirtying the new screen when attaching it. To fully understand how any type of adhesive works, whether it is B7000, T7000, T8000 or T9000, it's advisable to read and translate the instructions on the container, as the manufacturer provides clear information about drying time and best usage practices. After placing the new screen, I like to adjust it and leave it clamped for about 5 minutes. This method ensures that the screen adheres correctly and allows me to continue with the assembly process without issues. Once the assembly is complete, I place the clamps again to ensure everything stays in place. It is important to carefully check the screen connector. It must fit perfectly. I have noticed that Motorola has designed the flex cable a bit longer than usual, which may require some additional adjustments. Also, the battery adhesive sticks very well, so we reuse it to ensure a lasting attachment. If you are interested in starting to repair phones, I encourage you to do so. Nowadays, there's a lot of content available on YouTube that can help you. On our channel, we have over 1,700 videos covering repairs, disassemblies, microsoldering, board repairs, tools, tricks, and much more. If you are at home without a job, searching for broken devices online and doing simple repairs like screen replacements can be an excellent way to earn money. With a bit of practice and a clean, quality job, you can earn an income equivalent to an 8-hour workday in less than half an hour. When I'm in a hurry, I can change a screen in less than 15 minutes without compromising the quality of the work. That was today's video. I am Leonardo and I thank you for joining us. See you in the next video. Greetings!